Thank you. On the side of the school, we appreciate very much these activities done by IYF for these materials for hand washing. As I have said, we have a big number of students, and the materials are very, very few, so that we appreciate the materials that we have received from IYF. And I remind you, this is the second term for these activities. So if possible, it will be better if it comes once a year. It will be good activities, and as you have seen, the students have very, very appreciate the activities when they are practicing how to wash hands. So on the side of my school and on the side of my staff, we appreciate very, very much the activity. Thank you.